Puducherry is that we are now being watched very closely. Technology has ensured that there is a lot of transparency as to what is happening around us. Please do not spare anyone who indulges in committing illegality or indulges in indulging in a rogue behavior under the cloak of a gown. If somebody resorts to it,
Sir, sir, my dear Mr. Bar Counsel, I am petitioner in person in IA number 301 of OS 30 of 2014 at Tirumangalam, Madurai. I find that this OS 30 of 2014 is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, sir. You speak about transparency in Bar Council, sir. I have complained to the Bar Council against S. Murugadas, void receipt number 100, 2019. And I find that the judges are not transparent. The judges are illegal, mollified and corrupted. In my petition against S. Murugadas, enrollment number 2094 of 2003. Will you please reopen the decision of the departmental inquiry or Bar Council inquiry against this Murugadas, sir? Please do it, sir. I am sorry to disturb this happy occasion. I am sorry to disturb this happy occasion in my video, sir. I shall tell you that the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu is highly corrupt, illegal and mollified, sir. I am sorry for that. Even with the Honorable Mr. Justice N. Anand Venkatesh. I am sorry for that, sir. Please proceed, sir.
please ensure that you remove that gown. The gown is the cloak that is being used by some who think that makes them go above law. Advocates are the first citizens of this country who are supposed to act in accordance with law because it is presumed that we know law. So therefore, the earnest request I would make to the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry is that whenever such incidents comes to your notice, either from the court or by way of a complaint, please do not spare, and anyone who uses this status as an advocate thinks that he is beyond law, please remove that gown. He will come in line with law. But again, I must tell you that...
Excuse me, sir. This is Bar Council of Tamil Nadu will be certified as illegal, mollified and using the gown for propagating illegality, sir. I am certified fellow senior valuer in the Institution of India, sir. My name is Surendranath Pachari. I am having a trust, Pachari Yoga International Trust at Madurai, sir. I find this OS 30 of 2014 at Tirumangalam is highly mollified, illegal, concocted, corroded in judicial value, sir. Mr. I don't know who is the speaker, but I find that immediately you should suspend these two judges. One, Mr. S. Muthukumaravel, who has issued IA number 81 of 2014, and another judge, Barsad Begum, madam, who has issued a permanent ex parte injunction against me as a owner of my factory premises. I feel that these two judges should be dismissed, and that advocate S. Muthukumaravel should be delisted or de-enrolled from the Bar Council, sir. I have lodged a complaint with vigilance at Chennai, sir. The vigilance Chennai the receipt number is 583 of 2019, sir. Will you do something, sir? தமிழில் சொல்கிறேன். நீங்கள் திருநூறு போட்டிருக்கீங்க, குங்குமம் வச்சுக்கிங்க, நீங்கள் நேர்மையாக இருக்கீங்கன்றது இப்போது இல்லை. அந்த ரெண்டு ஜட்ஜஸ்ஸு, ரெண்டு அட்வொகேட்ஸு ஏன் ரிமூவ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு நான் உங்களை கேட்கல. நீங்கள் வாலண்டியராக அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரையும், ரெண்டு ஜட்ஜும் டிஸ்மிஸ் பண்ணி, ரெண்டு என்ரோல்மெண்ட் பேரையும் டிஸ்மிஸ் பண்ணோம். நீங்கள் தான் ஜஸ்டிஸாக என்னன்னு தெரியல. Facilitations by Honorable Mr. Justice N. Anand Venkatesh, Judge, Madras High Court. Please do it for me, sir. Not for me. No. Pachari Yoga International Trust is a registered legal entity propagating yoga and Bhagavad Gita, sir.
And such a person will never be shaken in the midst of greatest hardship and in the midst of gravest worries. Yogi sits in unalloyed posture with his head, neck and the body in erect position.
Pachari Yoga International
Yogi
Trust.
concentrates in
That is
bringing
fine.
the vision to the tip of the nose. Yogi frees
This is to
himself
certify
from
that
sex
Sanskrit
life
is
from that
very simple
moment
in understanding
onwards.
purity
From that day onwards,
and transparency
Yogi
in
fuses
public
the
life.
present, past and the future.
This is also to certify
Yogi
that
concentrates on the
Sanskrit,
Supreme
yoga,
Personality of
meditation
Godhead in his
and
inner
recitation
vision.
of Bhagavad Gita
In the forehead
adds immense value
hours,
in
days
self-realization, adds a discipline to the living and upholds nationalism in every country. Om
Samam Kayam Shirah Grivam Shri Bhagavan Vacha Prakasham Chaha Pravurtam Chaha Mohameva Chaha Pandava Nadveshti Sampravurtani Nanivurtani Kanshati Udasinavatt Asinaha Gunaiha Yahana Vichalyate Gunaha Vartante iti Vayah Avatishtati na ingate Sukha Dukkha Sama वक्त्र अस्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिय अप्रियः धीरस्तुल्यनिन्दात्मा संस्तुतिः मानापमानयोः